Good morning, everyone. All right. So I've got this issue. I just wanted to play Alfie Bluebells, but I've forgotten some of the notes, and I need your help. It sounds kind of like this. Bluebells, cockle shells. Bluebells, cockle shells. Aha. Okay. It's something so. So I know bluebells, cockle shells, and it's E. There, that's definitely right. EVIV over. Oh, that sounds better. Bluebells, cockle shells, EVIV over. That's definitely it. Bells, cockle shells, EVIVO. Oh, fantastic. Once you guys have finished that all up, you can put some boots and cats in the background. You know. Etc. And yeah, complete the song, and then when you're finished, down the bottom there's a save there's a save and share the link, and then you can share that to Seesaw to show that you have successfully made the Bluebells Cockle Shells melody. Thank you, everyone.